This is the high-speed version of a Cardo Packtalk Edge install on a Bell MX-9 helmet. Here we go. You first pop out both the cheek pads. They are 3 snaps. They come off real easy and expose a couple of pockets where the speakers will eventually be attached. Unboxing the Cardo unit, you'll see various parts including speakers, microphones, alcohol prep pads, adhesive Velcro strips, Velcro on spacers, the cradle itself, and 2 options for mounting the cradle to the helmet. This is a mock-up of how the speakers will look installed and the microphone Velcro strip will look installed. Here are the 2 cradle mounting options. The adhesive option ends up being the one we choose for the Bell MX-9. Now let's get these speakers installed. And now we'll line up the cradle mount on the outside of the helmet exactly where we want it. The cradle just slides on and locks into place. And the Cardo attaches with a magnet system. You want to tuck your wires out of the way and behind the headliner. We'll now pop the JBL speakers into place and run the wires back behind the headliner. Using the boom microphone option proves to be the best bet for the Bell MX-9 helmet. We'll clean and install the adhesive Velcro strips, line the microphone up with the yellow arrow facing toward our mouth, and Velcro it into place. Now we'll connect up our wires, the headphones, and the microphone plugs, and tuck the remaining wiring back underneath the headliner so it's out of the way. Last step is to reinstall your cheek pads over the new speakers and wiring. You may find the helmet has a slightly snugger fit with the speakers underneath the cheek pads, but it shouldn't be too much tighter. Now we're all installed. The Cardo unit pops on easily and works perfectly. The sound is great, the microphone placement works, and I'm a happy camper.